Hello everybody, my name is Deandue Thompson. Today I'll be showing you tomato chorizo mussels dish. Today it's sponsored by PEI Distillery. I also want to thank them again for allowing me to be here and show you my capabilities. That's what found me today. So now it's all said and done, we can jump into our ingredients. Our first ingredient is our PEI Distillery Ocean Pearl Vodka. It pairs well with shellfish, mussels, oysters, shrimp, whatever your heart desires. Following behind that we have Alonzo Aqua Farms mussels. You want to buy those. And following behind we have some cherry tomatoes, green onions, minced garlic, minced shallots, and chorizo. Followed by also our 80 yellow whipping cream. Now for those who have dairy allergies, can't have dairy, you can substitute it with coconut milk instead. Coconut cream, coconut milk, the same dish for all dairy allergies. So all that being said, we can start cooking our dish. Are you guys ready? So it's a simple dish to make, guys. It's 5-10 minutes to make it. It's simple to make. Once everything's prepped out, once it's all mixed out, you start cooking. But if you have everything prepped out, it's going to take longer than you need. So sit down, organize yourself, get everything ready to go. Once it's all ready to go, you start cooking. You're going to start with your white wine. Start with your whipping creams. Use canola oil, guys. Use canola oil, olive oil, or peanut oil, whatever oil your heart's desire. Just canola oil up there. Get your pan on the medium heat. You don't want to scorch it hot. You don't want to burn the oil. You don't want to burn the shallots. You don't want to burn the garlic. So medium high heat. So you put the process nice and slow. Put the oil inside your pan. Once it's nice and hot to medium heat, you're going to start with the garlic and your shallots. The reason being I started with chorizo because once, before I started with chorizo, I pre-cooked it in the oven, so it's already cooked. If it wasn't pre-cooked, you can start with chorizo first. Get the cooking process started first. I'll start with the garlic and the shallots first. You want to saute these down to a golden brown consistency. Once you saute down, you're going to follow the chorizo. The chorizo saute down, you hit it with the white wine, and you're going to hit it with your PEI Distillery vodka. Now it's starting to sizzle, it's starting to saute. Now we wait for 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and let it go. You can't rush the process here. Take your time to cook, guys. Again, to smell the garlic and shallots, that's how you know it's ready to go. If you can't smell them, it's not ready to go, guys. I get chorizo, add chorizo to the oil, to the pan. Start to saute those. Just cook down, let the saute a golden brown. You can come with your mussels. We'll add the mussels to the pan. Also, you don't want to overcrowd the pan with mussels because you want them to open up and release the juices. If you overcrowd the pan, you won't really open up. It's going to die in the pan. You don't overcrowd the pan with mussels, just enough to cover it up where it's together, but then take the depth in the pan. I want to coat the mussels in saute garlic and your chorizo. Just like this for a second. Couple of saute them up. Now take your pan, your lid, cover it up, let those steam for a second. Then you're gonna take your alcohol and your white wine, and you're gonna glaze the pan with it. This is vodka, guys. So you only need an ounce of vodka. This is very strong. It's very potent, guys. So only an ounce. For the white wine, it's cooking wine, so you can go a little heavy on the white wine for the wine. So glaze the pan with the white wine. Take your vodka. Just an ounce, guys. Only an ounce. That's it. That's it.
That's a high down.
Now you let it steam, let the alcohol cook off, it's going to open up. When that is happening, you're going to hit it with your whipping cream or coconut milk. Then you're going to reduce that down, then follow behind with the cherry tomatoes and your scallions. So to open the mussels, take about probably 1 to 2 minutes to open the mussels. So just let them go, don't rush it, you can't do anything about it. So let it sit there and let it cook. Ready to go. As you can see, by letting it rest and wait, all of us start to release the juices and start to open up. All the flavor from the mussels will release inside the pan, and then incorporate the cream and the vodka and the white wine. It's going to be a great flavor for you. I'm taking whipping cream. To your pan. With the cream or the coconut milk, just wait for that sauce you want, that creamy sauce, that rich sauce. After you add these, you're going to add the tomatoes. Give it a quick stir. Add the lid back on. Now you let it reduce for about 2 minutes at most. You want it to thicken up, whereas you coat the mussels. So it's not watery, it's one that's different consistency. Like a perfect cream sauce, basically. You can't rush this process there. It takes about 2 minutes to cook. Once it's completely reduced down, you're going to garnish with the green onions, or scallions, as they call it. And also, if you can't use green onions or scallions, you can use parsley, you can use basil, use tarragon. There's different options you can use. Trust me. Can't wait to try it. For those who are wondering, I didn't add any salt or pepper to it. The reason why I didn't add any salt or pepper to it is the chorizo itself has a lot of salt in it, and it's quite spicy. So that's the reason why there's no really flavors in there. You're not going to need the salt or the pepper to add to this. Okay? If you want to add more salt and pepper, you can go ahead, but trust me, you're not going to need it. beautiful dish. You can serve it with tons of bread. It could be baguettes, it could be panini, it could be a soft roll, it could be garlic bread. So today, I don't have any bread today, unfortunately. But if you want to, you can serve it with bread. Now that's all the thicken and reduce. We can add it to our bowl and we can serve. My parsley, or your basil, or your tarragon, you garnish it. This is the final dish, guys. You got this beautiful dish. It's pretty simple to make, as I said. It takes about 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes the most. Once you get everything prepped out, the meat's done, ready to go, go ahead and cook. You can find the recipe today on canadasgames.ca. Sorry. There you go. So